there any plans to add switch port statistics and interface visibility directly into the Alta controller UI instead of pulling that information from CLI? Jeff, can you mind sharing your screen really quick and showing the latest on that? I think that may solve his problems. I know you're on.
Sorry, I'm trying to understand what you're referring to, Chase. We don't. Maybe tell me what you're looking at.
I'm thinking about the what Chris just added about a month ago. You just pull up one of the switches, and then there's that table view with all of the switch port stats.
Yeah, there is a switch port view for all the switches. So if you go to one of your switches, you can get a port view with all the ports, and this gives you, a high-level view of all the VLANs that are available on every port, what its PBID is, if it has voice LAN, the speed, CLI. So, and then also gives the traffic information. I know that we had a support call where they were asking for more detailed information, and you can get that through the CLI using the diag command. We do plan on exposing some of that through potentially what we call a cable test, but it's more than just your average cable test, and it will grab some of those statistics for you automatically. So if you have any idea, maybe you have a hint that there's a bad port, you can run the cable test on it, and it'll grab that information for you, and you'll be able to see if there's FEC, CRC errors, stuff like that on the port, and it'll grab it.
Thanks for that, Jeff. And Christian, if you wanted to see more than that, we'd love to hear about it. I do see that you have a follow-up question or statement. Historical interface stats in the GUI would be extremely valuable operationally. I don't know if we actually show the interface stats, like if you're looking for up-down, but I mean, generally you can see if there's any traffic there.
Yeah, you can very easily see each of the ports. You can see, if the port's dead, you can see that its traffic is 0. Usually, we are adding more around that though, so that you can see when the link goes down and other stuff like that. We're actively working on that historically, and it'll be very easy to tell. You just go to the the different periods, whether you want it to be real time or 2 hours, 2 days, 2 months. That'll all be available in more detail. You can also search the logs if you know what you're looking for. You can search for link down, link up, as long as it's in the persistent log that's on each device, it'll be able to find that information.
Perfect. Thanks for that, Jeff and Christian. Hopefully that gets you pretty much everything you need.